Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Learning Library. Today we are diving deep into the world of analytical functions in SQL. If you have ever wondered how to perform a complex calculation or gain a deeper insight into your data, you are in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the things in SQL. Let's get started. So the analytical functions are a powerful tool in SQL that allow you to perform calculations across rows related to the current row. Unlike aggregate functions, analytical functions don't group rows into a single result. Instead, they provide a way to perform calculations relative to other rows in your result set. Let's break down in simple example. So the main difference between analytical functions and aggregate function is that aggregate functions perform a calculation on a set of value and return a single value, and the analytical functions compute an aggregate value based on a group of rows, but it will return a multiple row for each group. So let's explore some of the most commonly used analytical functions we use mostly, like row number, dense rank, lead and lag. So firstly we are going to cover row number. So what is row number is, it will assign a unique sequential number starting from 1 within a partition of result set. So what is partition and all we are going to cover with the practical example. So let's jump to the Oracle. So first we will try to cover row number in SQL. So suppose we have one table, select star from employees. I have this table, and so here column name as employee ID, first name, last name, email, and I have some decent amount of data in this table. So I will try to calculate row number on my employee ID column. So let's take an example. Select employee ID. I will take employee ID. Then what I want to calculate is row number. So row number is my analytical function. Row number over order by. I will take order by on my employee ID only. So the order by clause is required or must in analytical functions like row numbers, dense rank and rank. Without order by, my my analytical function will not work, my query will fail. So order by, I have to give the order by. So I have order by on my employee ID. I am calculating row number from which table? Employee table, from employees. So if I run this query, it will give me row number. I will assign as RM. So it will give me row number on my employee ID, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is giving the sequential value in incremental order. Also I can give a partition by. If I want to partition on that column, so I can give that partition by also. Partition by clause is also there, but it is optional. Partition by, if I want to partition on employee ID only, employee ID. So in all analytical functions, partition by clause is optional, but order by clause is necessary. Without order by, my query will not work. So if I give the partition by here, so it will give me result on that partition by. Like partition by is nothing but grouping on that column. So what I'm doing is, I'm grouping my result set into this column, grouping on employee ID. So if I run this, it will give me result on, so 100, I have only one group of 100. 101, I have only one group, 101, only one record. So that's why it 1111 it gives. So let's take the second one. Second one is dense rank. So what dense rank will do is, it will calculate the rank of rows in an order set of rows. It does not skip rank in case of tie. So what is that? I'll show with an example. So let's take dense rank. What we will do is, dense rank and rank we will calculate together. Rank functions analytical function that calculate the rank of value in a set of values. So we will calculate these two together, rank and dense rank and rank. So we will try to cover this together. So similar, we have that table. So let's start from employees. We will use the same table. So here we have one column, department ID. So we will try to calculate dense rank and rank based on our department ID column. So let's see an example. Select, we will take department ID, then first we will take dense rank over, like I have said, order by clause is necessary. Order by, I will only take the department ID on order by department ID. Then rank, we also try to cover rank in same query. I will give here alias as dr as dense rank over order by department ID only as rn rank rnk from which table? Our employee table, from employees. And if we run this query, we will compare the result of dense rank and rank. See, this is my dense rank, this is my rank. So if you closely see here, I have only one record for department ID 10, so dense rank and rank will similar for that. Then I have two records of department ID 20. So if we see, dense rank is 22 for both and rank is 22 for both. But if you see the next one, like for 30, I have this many records. So for dense rank, it has started from 3, and for rank, it has skipped that rank and it calculate and started from 4. So if you calculate here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what rank is doing is, rank is skipping that rank. So ideally here should be 4, so rank will give that number, but dense rank will not skip that rank, so it will start it from 3 only. Similarly here, if we for the next group for 40, dense rank is starting from 4, but rank is starting from 10. So this is the major difference between dense rank and rank. So dense rank will not skip the rank, but rank will skip that next integer or based on that grouped result set. So likewise, dense rank and rank will work like this. You can use rank, dense rank and row number in your SQL practice or in your project, etc. This to lead and lag. I want you guys to practice on this and try these two analytical functions. Try to explore what these analytical functions are doing and comment if you need anything or any doubt in this two analytical function, lead and lag. These are also important one, but I want you guys to practice on this. So thank you, and we will try to cover more in our next video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.